Learner-centered classroom discipline. Classroom discipline. Discipline is defined as the practice of teaching others rules or norms by using punishment to correct unwanted behaviors. In a classroom, a teacher uses discipline to ensure routine is maintained in school because without discipline cannot be accomplished. If constantly disrupt the teacher, the others the others in class are affected because the goal of discipline is to ensure each learners receive the most from their education. So we have a type of discipline. So the discipline is a key component to effective classroom management. Classroom discipline also refers to the strategies of a teacher uses to manage learner behavior and attitude during the instructional time. So the first type of discipline is the preventative discipline, which a teacher with effective classroom management strategies establish expectations, guidelines, and rules for behaviors during the first few days of class, clearly explaining expectations as essential component to preventative discipline. So, the most basic component to preventative discipline is a concise outline about classroom expectations for learner as well as for teachers. So the next is the supportive discipline. Supportive discipline, even the best laid preventative discipline strategies may fail periodically throughout the school year when a teacher offers a verbal warning or a suggestion for correcting behavior. So we have the last discipline is the correct. So from corrective discipline, when a learner has failed to redirect her behavior after repeated attempts at supportive discipline, meaning to say, they have already like a caution done at the part of a teacher, there has already been calling of attention. So a teacher may opt for corrective discipline strategy, or corrective discipline refers to the set of consequences delivered to learners following an infractions. So learner-centered discipline, it is also refers to when teacher use disciplinary strategies, when a classroom fosters supportive relationship and a strong sense of community. So it may also involve engaging learners as decision makers and problem solvers. This process like cultivates and maintains trusting relationship, help learners understand their impact on other, build empathy, prioritize keeping learners in the learning, responsive to the cultural, developmental, and school context. So, assertive discipline developed by the center in every structured and systematic. Its main design process to help educator run a classroom in which the teacher is in chains. So, meaning to say, principles, techniques, mantras, and sticking points will not tolerate any learner. Central methods of assertive discipline makes rules clear, catch learners big and being good. So in cooperative discipline, it processes to use the cooperation of learner to achieve good behavior in classroom. So there are three types of categories that can be used to create an environment of encouragement. They are the capability, connection, and the contribution. So what is capability? Capability, the learners need to feel capable of completing their work. So connection, learners need to know they develop positive relationships. And the last one is the contribution, which learners contribute to the well-being of the entire class. So next is about the democratic discipline. Democratic discipline, defined in the Encarta Dictionary as an activity, may be better understood as discipline strategy as demonstrated. So lastly, For this method to have any impact and sustain over time, every learner needs to commit to four serious responsibilities. They are the respect of property, commitment learners, health and safety, and the last one is respecting the right of others.